This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the 48-digit recovery key and ensuring you can access an administrator environment. Insert Windows, install media, or boot to recovery options. This is faster than fumbling with settings. Once you're at a command prompt, identify the encrypted volume letter so you target the correct drive. Make sure you've noted the drive letter and that no important operations are running. This avoids accidental data loss. Now proceed straight to using Manage BDE with the recovery key to unlock the volume. Now unlock the drive using the recovery password. Run Manage BDE unlock X, recovery password followed by the 48-digit key. Replace X with the drive letter you confirmed earlier. Once unlocked, disable protection so the system won't immediately re-encrypt. Run Manage BDE Protectors Disable X. After disabling, start decryption by executing Manage BDE off X. This triggers full decryption, which can take time depending on disk size. Monitor progress with Manage BDE Status X until it reports 100. To finish, confirm the drive shows fully decrypted via Manage BDE Status X, and then remove any stored protectors if you will not use BitLocker again. Use Manage BDE Protectors Remove X. Type recovery password to delete protectors. If something goes wrong, first recheck every digit of the recovery key. One wrong number stops unlocks. If the environment fails, try a different Windows recovery USB or another admin machine. Should decryption stall, leave it running and avoid powering off. Interrupted decryption risks data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.